Hello and welcome back. Your business blueprint is ready as well as your template. But before we can officially open the doors to online bookings, there's one more thing you're going to need to do. We must upgrade our Wix plan. Why is this essential? You can build the entire website for free, but Wix requires a premium plan to activate two crucial features for any appointment business website: accepting online payments and using the Wix Bookings app to manage staff and recurring services. So let's go and see which plan suits you and your needs best. On your site's dashboard, click on the purple upgrade button at the top. A new tab will open where you should see all of Wix's available plans. Wix offers many plans, but for a service based business, we immediately must ignore the standard website plans, such as this one, because this plan does not accept payments, which means you won't be able to use the full booking system. Apart from accepting payments, depending on your business needs, you should also look at things like how many collaborators a plan offers, how much storage, domain name, etc., for your site to function smoothly. Once you decide which one you like, click on Select on the plan of your choice. Now select a billing cycle. And finally, input your billing details here. Also, review your purchase summary on the right. Once you're good to go, click on Submit Purchase. And once your purchase is successful, you should be able to enjoy the premium features your plan comes with. And by the way, if you bought a plan with a domain name inclusion, you can attach your site to your domain to make it more professional. So go to your site's dashboard, go to the search bar and type in domain. Select domains. Input your desired domain name on this field and click on Let's Go to see if it's available. If it isn't available, find another one that's still close to your business name. You can also choose from options below. So, say for example, instead of saying .com, we might say .shop. And if it's available, click on Get It so that domain can finally be yours and attached to your website. And that's it for today. We hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit like and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.